The birthday party begins with Alicia Mayfield, who is celebrating his first birthday. Elijah, this comes with love from Mom, Dad, Grandma, and Grandpa. Happy birthday, kiddo. And look at this.
We have Alicia Mayfield turning 7, and from your older sister, your mom, dad, grandpa, and grandma, they all wish you a happy birthday. It was on December 20th.
Can you imagine the Mayfield family beginning December 20th? You roll Alicia's, then you do Christmas, then you got Elijah, and then you've got the New Year. My goodness, that is jam-packed. Kudos to you, Mr. and Mrs. Mayfield, for pulling that all off. Brayden Garwood, he is celebrating his 11th birthday. Oh, Brayden, I long for that warmer weather and that fishing pole, my man. This comes with love from Mom, Dad, and Tinley. Have a great one, Brayden.
Next, from Bronson, Kansas, we have Allison Johnson, who's turning 12. Happy birthday, Allison.
A special Sweet 16 for one Kate Pritchett. Kate, she is in Carl Junction, and I want you to know that this Sweet 16 birthday comes with love from the whole family.
Next, from Pittsburgh, we have Matthew.
Good catch.
Yeah, Matthew Rodenauer turning 23 with a special note of love from Dad and Charity.
Run out to Humboldt, and that's where we find Emily Melton celebrating her 27th birthday. Happy birthday, Emily.
Going from Columbus, we have Sally Davis turning 43.
Check out Sally. I love the birthday picture because she's like, I'm gonna get some advertising out of this.
I was just gonna say, the business logo. Happy birthday, Sally.
That was well played, Sally. Very well played. Kimberley Ewen, a happy 51st birthday. Kimberly celebrates in Chanute.
In Galena, we have Nina Fodale turning 62 years old. Happy birthday, Nina.
Over the weekend, Quentin Morrow celebrated his 81st birthday. Mr. Morrow, he had his party commence in Fredonia.
In Girard, we have Keegan Dawson. Happy birthday, Keegan.
Wavell Yeager celebrating number 82, a screen just for Wavell right there, and a happy birthday wish in Columbus. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's where you can send them into, birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Speaking of that website, here's Bronte Sorosky with a very important birthday announcement.
You can be part of the KOA Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up, and you can also get special deals from local businesses. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOA Birthday Club today. Now here's Michael with what's next on the KOA News on Fox 14.